Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the chairman, the founder of Global CEO Club. It's a registered company in Pakistan, headquarters is based in USA, Washington. I started this journey, as you are familiar with it, around 8 years back. Now it's scattered across the border. Today we are here at Expo Center, Lahore. This expo is being organized by Textile Asia, and Global CEO Club is also part of Textile Asia. So we are here and with Mr. Zain Ali Khan, Director of Al Fazil Machinery. Thank you, Mr. Zain. Please share with us what is Al Fazil and what it does.
Basically, Al Fazil Machinery is founded in 1992 by my father, and basically the second generation of this company. And what we are doing now is we are making our customers to work with more efficiency in their limited workspace, and we are just handling different projects for them, and we are designing their factories and making them more efficient for the future businesses.
Okay, thank you. Which current markets being targeted by you internationally?
Al Fazil Machinery is handling the Pakistan business, and we have a company based in UAE, Al Sadr General Trading Company, which is handling all the MENA region and the Turkey market, Uzbekistan market, and all the different segments.
Okay, thank you. So you started around 30 years ago.
More than 30 years. We have the expertise for more than 30 years.
Okay, okay. And you can show your brand, please, to be
In this
recorded.
exhibition,
Yeah.
we are introducing Puff and Mauser machines. This brand is founded in 1882, which has the expertise for more than 150 years in Germany. And now they have started the production in China. So making before the production cost in Germany was so high, the Pakistan customers were not able to handle the cost. But now in the production in China, the cost is much less and the quality is same as Germany.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Best wishes for you, Mr. Zain. And I invite you to join hands with Global CEO Club, so that Global CEO Club to facilitate you to catch, to reach international markets. So thank you so much once again.